to Tuesday's Market SITREP here at Top Gun Options. Hope everybody had a restful Memorial Day and took some time out to actually remember why we have a Memorial Day. I know I did, and remembered the 11 folks that I served with in the military that are no longer walking the face of the earth because they gave the ultimate sacrifice. So hopefully everybody took some time out yesterday to pause. Obviously, the markets were closed. Markets are open today, and it's Tuesday, which means what? The market goes up. Here we are melting up today. Dow's up nearly 75, S&P up over 10 points as I shoot this. Slew of economic data came out this morning. Core durable goods orders, and when you see the word core, it means X something. In this case, it's X transportation items. Kind of in line, a little bit of a miss, but X transportation items, including transportation items, obviously beat. Nice beat there with a 0.8%. Case-Shiller S&P 20 home index, 12.4%. So with existing and new home sales being a mixed bag last week, we're seeing a beat the S&P Case-Shiller index. But look at this, and we got really good Flash Services PMI and a beat out of the Richmond Fed, but we'll dig into that in a second here. But look at this, the consumer confidence number is a miss. A little bit of a miss, but still a miss. And then we got a revision downward of the previous Conference Board's consumer confidence numbers. Later tonight, Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda is going to speak. That's going to be a one to watch there as well. That I will follow. Not too much Wednesday on our economic flight schedule. We'll get some preliminary GDP numbers, weekly unemployment claims, pending home sales later in the week. And then on Friday, we'll get some personal spending, personal income numbers, and the Chicago PMI. But the Richmond and Dallas Fed technically were misses. You have to look at actually what's in these Fed reports. Even though they just missed expectations, here's the biggest numbers. Underneath that, employees, especially in Dallas, plunged from 13.9 to 2.8. Right? New order and production also slumped. And for the Richmond Fed, the new order volume plunged from a 10 to 3. Okay, so that's bad. And shipments also slid to 3-month lows. So yeah, in short, a total disaster. So when you look at those Fed numbers and see, oh wow, it's a beat, you have to look at what's underlying and why it was necessarily a beat. Wasn't a beat, other than that, Mrs. Lincoln, how was the play? So not a good beat. Consumer confidence, we talked about, and plans to buy a home more or less imploding in those consumer confidence number, and those the services PMI had a big beat, but here's the bad in it. Margins are really starting to come under pressure. So with all the, quote, good macroeconomic data out there, it makes sense that the market's up. But look at this, the VIX. TGO traders know that when the VIX is up and the market is up, get ready. Okay, market up, VIX up. That's a hold your nose rally. Okay, and we talked about this when the VIX broke 12 last week. I told my traders, when vol's cheap, you buy it. When it's expensive, you sell it. Vol under 12, the VIX under 12 is stupid low, and it's time to get long vol now. Okay, because there's a storm coming, and we can see it as the VIX is catching a bid here with the market coming up here. Great trade on the Russell. Got a trade on the Russell, bullish double vertical that was up. It's up 800% right now. Closed a bullish double vertical on Chipotle, the bull call spread of it, for a 1,400% gain last week, and also an Apple bullish double vertical. Still have the bull put spread on part of that trade. That was a 6,000% gain in that one for about $4,500. So really happy with the performance of the Urgent Alert model portfolio. Month to date, we're up about 15% in this portfolio, $7,400. So a lot of good stuff going on here at Top Gun Options. Got a live trading session here in a couple hours that I got to hop on, but hopefully you got a chance to catch my presentation this morning at 9 a.m. with the Darwin Investing Network. Make sure you check your email for the replay if you did not, because I gave out a 14-day test flight into our Urgent Alert service, the portfolio that I just showed you there. Okay, so I got to run. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and I'll be back with Wednesday's market SITREP here at Top Gun Options. We'll see you.